Here I will show you the difference between union and intersection sets. Right, union and intersection. Intersection sets. So union is represented by the letter U and intersection is represented by like this symbol. Suppose if we have any sets A, B, C and D, and we have second is AB, C, D, E, X, Y. You can write down any letters and sets usually represented by the capital letter. If I will say find out A union B, so A union B, right? A union B, you have to write down all the members of A, all the members of B, but if something is common between these two, we have to write down only one time. Just like this C, see A, B, A and B is not here, but we will write down in case of union, A and B we will write down. C is here, C is here, D is common, so we will write down C and D only one time. There is no need to write down two times, only one time. E, X and Y is not in the A, but we have to write down. This is A union B. So simple. You have to write down each element, each member of both the sets, but if some member is common, you have to write down only one time. On the other hand, A intersection B, intersection means common, which is common between two sets C and D. So only C and D. We will not write down all. In case of union, you have to write down each and every element. In case of intersection, you have to write down only common. Common means which is present in both the sets. If I will ask you to show in the Venn diagram, so this is the Venn diagram for the union. In union, we have to take each and every element of A and B, so we will shade A and B. This is A union B. This is called the Venn diagram. And in case of intersection, this is the overlapping. So here we will write down only common. C and D is common. Or in shade, you can write down, you can shade only this portion. Whatever is common area, overlapping area between two sets. Right, so I hope the concept is clear and thanks for watching.